Hey guys, it's Cal with the Lighting Doctor here. Thanks for tuning in. Please be sure, if you like our videos, to subscribe by clicking on the little guy here as we bring you more great content about low voltage landscape lighting, as we start to get into the season here. Another part of our business is residential and acreage irrigation systems, and we're going to show you a bunch of how-to videos as well on how you can repair your own irrigation system, as well as some cool lawn care and fertilizer tips and that kind of stuff. My background is in the golf course industry for over 14 years, dealing with agronomics and irrigation. That's where I come from, so we are going to share more of those videos as we get into the season. Obviously right now it's February, it's freezing cold outside, hence the green screen. A lot of our videos over the course of the winter we actually just shoot in front of a green screen or at our shop because it's just too damn cold to go outside. So this video is going to be about low voltage landscape lighting connections. It's the question I get asked more than anything. It's the thing that most people are most scared about and deterred from. So I want to get into that, and that's what this video is going to be about, is talking about my two favorite kinds of low voltage landscape lighting connections. So again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy this video. Hey guys, so like I said, it's too cold to be outside, so I'm just hanging out with my little buddy here, and we're going to talk to you about low voltage connections and which ones to avoid. So if you've tried putting in landscape lighting already, or you've probably been down to the big box stores, and you'll recognize a connection something like this. So basically the way these are designed to work is they're cheap and they're easy to use. All you need to do is basically slide the wire in, pierce this down, snap it tight, and that makes your connection. The problem with these though is that if you've got to pierce a wire that was designed and built to live underground and live under dirt and live underwater and all that kind of stuff, and you go and pierce that wire, that connection is eventually going to fail on you. It's not going to last that long. So that's the main reason I'd say stay away from these. The other reason too is that when these get installed, usually what happens is the wire will be run straight, and then people will just clamp that right down on the wire, and they won't leave any extra wire. So the problem with that is that if that connection ever fails and you need to go and replace that, well, what happens now is you got to cut that wire, and there's not enough extra wire to reattach that light. So now you got to go make two connections on the side just to feed that light again. So stay away from those. I'm going to just show you the two that I recommend. There's lots of different kinds out there. There's all kinds of shrink wrap connectors and brass connectors and all kinds of stuff like that. I'm just telling you, they start getting really expensive. A lot of the best lighting contractors will use those, and they should, because they're charging a premium. But for most do-it-yourself owners, most homeowners, these are going to be the two easiest ones you can find that are going to do everything you need, because they're gel filled, so they're going to keep all the elements out, as well as they've got a mechanical connection, which all that means is they have some kind of mechanism that snaps down on that wire so that you can't pull those apart easily. That's why we recommend these. So watch this quick video. You can go and find these on our website, but I will put the links below this video so that you can access them if you need them. And please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the little guy in the corner here, and we'll have lots more videos coming at you soon. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, so this is our BVS2 snap lock connector, and you can see they're pretty easy to use. They open up, the wires simply go into the bottom, the gel filled ports. You have your wire going in, your wire going out, and then your fixture wire. And once those are all the way in, it's basically just snaps tight down on the wires and keeps them from coming apart. The other wiring connection that we talked about is our DBRY connection, which comes in two parts. And basically twist your wires together. Again, your in and your out wire for your low voltage, along with the wire for your fixture. You twist all those together, then you take your Moret that you screw down tight on those. It'll help keep it from pulling apart. Once you've got those nice and snug, you take your gel filled tube, open it up, and basically take that Moret and those wires now, and you have to push it all the way to the end through this gel filled tube. So it can be a little bit tricky. You might have to push a little bit, but this is a good thing because it creates a really good watertight seal and really helps keep those wires from ever pulling apart. If that's all you did, that would work. But on top of that, you also take the cover here and you snap it down on those three wires. That's going to pretty much 100% keep those wires from ever coming out. So it's a good connection that's going to last you for a lot of years.